Airport team, we are giving our best to honor our daughter. We are going to receive her with our dignifying reception. So we are preparing our best to receive her.
So how much loss we have because both the ladies from Manipur expired on the cross?
Yeah.
So how much we have lost for them because everyone is paying homage?
Yes. It's a huge loss for us. They are very young. And they are just in the verge of starting their career. And unfortunately, in the incident, both of them, they lost their life. So it's a big loss for not only our airline fraternity, but to Manipur also. Yeah.
To this event, what are the things going to take place
to this event, everyone, all bureaucrats will come. And yes, from our airport team also, we are giving our best to receive her a dignified reception. And pay homage.